Well guys, it's time for another video. My headlight's out. I'm just gonna show you guys. As you can see, we got a working headlight on the passenger side, but the driver's side is out. So today's video will be replacing a main headlight bulb on the Toyota Tundra. We're gonna start by removing our grill. I have an aftermarket grill, but it's the same process. You remove these 4 screws right here. They have a 10mm head and a Phillips head as well. These 2 clips right here. And you just pry forward. More clips right here. This piece is also held together by 2 screws right there. Alright, now we can remove our headlight, and it looks like there's 3 screws, one right here and then 2 up here. Whenever you go to pull the headlight, you don't just want to yank it towards you, because this piece of the headlight that is goes over this, so you have to lift this tab up and then towards you, because if you yank it towards you without noticing that, you will crack this tab, and then now you got one less bolt securing it. Alright, this bottom side is really tricky because this tab right here is locked into place in here. So if you don't push it out of the way, you're not gonna be able to pull it out, even if it doesn't look like much, but it will. Okay, now we're ready to work on our headlight. We want to pull up on like that, and then we peel our dust cap off. To remove our light bulb, you got this retaining clip, and it's secured by this tab. This tab goes into this right here. So you just press down and then this way, and it hinges over this way like a door. And there's our light bulb. We got our new light bulb here. It's very important that you do not touch the actual glass part with your bare hands. That's why I'm wearing gloves. And we have to match the tabs here with the indentations on the assembly. Like that. So one of the tabs is a little bit wider than the other ones, and it goes on the top side. Then we bring a little hinging, rotating wire. We press it down, and this gets caught underneath here like that. So now our light bulb ain't going anywhere. We got a crusty dust boot back on here. and our connector. Just like that. Okay, before I fully finish putting the headlight back on, I am going to test the bulb to see if it works, because if not, it'll be all for nothing. Now to carefully install our headlight. It seems like we're lined up properly. Alright, now for a plastic piece. We're going to put this back on in the reverse order that we took it off. So that means we're going to start back here. Couple clips. And now we're ready to put our grill back on. You have to make sure you line it up properly. And I always make sure I line this and this up, these tabs with this hole and this hole right here. Same for the other side. Now the other side. Alright, put our clip back on there. And our final step is just put our screws back on. That is how to properly remove and reinstall a new light bulb on the Toyota Tundra.